Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix the laptop shutting down randomly problem, step by step in an easy way. Step 1, check overheating. Overheating is the most common reason. Make sure air vents are not blocked. Use your laptop on a flat surface and clean dust from the fan using compressed air. Step 2, check battery health. A weak or damaged battery can cause sudden shutdowns. Unplug the charger and see if battery percentage drops quickly. If yes, the battery may need replacement. Step 3. Scan for malware. Viruses can force system crashes. Open Windows Security Arrow, run a full scan to remove threats. Check a mark. Step 4. Update drivers, press Windows plus X Arrow Device Manager. Update graphics, chipset, and power management drivers. Step 5. Change power settings. Go to Settings, Arrow System Arrow Power, and Battery Arrow, additional power settings. Select Balanced or Recommended mode. Step 6, check Windows Updates, open Settings, Arrow, Windows Update, and install all pending updates to fix system bugs. Step 7, disable Fast Startup Control Panel, Arrow Power Options Arrow. Choose what power buttons do Arrow turn off Fast Startup. Bonus tip: if shutdown happens during heavy work or gaming, your adapter or thermal paste may be the problem. And that's it. Follow these steps and your laptop should stop shutting down randomly. Thanks for listening.